see. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to install a WordPress theme. So I'm gathering that you purchase a domain name and web hosting and that. So once you get your details to log into your cpanel or your control panel, okay, you're going to see all these icons here. What we're going to want to do is go down to the scripts area and just click on the WordPress icon, and that's going to take us over to where we can install it into our directory. Now from here, as you can see, it gives you a bit of detail about what it is, how much space you got, so on and so forth. So what we just simply want to do is just click the install button. This is working with Web Hosting Hub, so each cpanel is a little bit different. Now as you can see here, it just tells you how you want to set your domain up, whether it's www. Things like that. You choose your domain name. In this one here, in the directory there, if it's your first script that you're putting into a directory, you just leave it blank. Okay, you won't need to touch any of the other settings. Down here you can change the blog name. Okay, your WordPress theme name. You just name it something along the lines of whatever your website is. You can give it a site description. Now these two here you can edit from the back end of the WordPress theme later, so you don't actually have to change those ones now. When we go down to admin account, now this is where you want to enter your username and your password. So with your username, you're going to want to enter this now because you can't change it from the back end. The only way you can change it is removing the WordPress theme and then reinstalling it. Okay, so for this instance I'm just going to throw in anything here. So we'll just put in admin. You want to enter a password, so we'll just throw in anything there. We'll just go 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it's telling me it's a bad password, but that's all we're going to be using for the moment, just for this. Okay, you can set up your email, admin email. You can change that once you're in there as well, but you can't change the username. Alright, so let's go down. We can start with the install here. You can choose languages and things like that as well. So just click on the install button. Okay, so it's telling me it's got to be a big grader with the password, so we will throw in something else there. We'll just throw there we go, and click install, and away we go. This is only going to take a minute to install, and then from there we'll go and log into the back end, make sure it's all set up for us. Okay, so successfully installed. It tells you the URL of your website and where you can log into it. So this one here you might want to add to your favorites bar or something like that when you want to log in easy. So we'll just click on that and we'll go over, we'll just check if it's been set up so far. Okay, so here's our back end login for the WordPress theme. So we'll just throw in our username and our password. We'll log in. Okay, so this is the back end of our theme here. Okay, and if we go down to where are we? Settings, general settings. From here, this is where you can change your site title, your tagline that we talked about. Okay, so that's where you can start from there. We go to users. This will show you where you can who's the admin. So we can just click on that and just have a look. As you can see, you can't change the username, so you want to set that the first time. Okay, so we go and look at the outside of the blog, things like that. Okay, so there we go from there. And then it's just as simple as changing the theme that you want to put in. So you can go to appearance and themes, and yeah, from there you can go add new and search for themes and things like that, and install a different design of theme that you want. Okay, so I hope this helped you out, guys, with creating your own WordPress website and installing it. Okay, keep a watch out for plenty more videos to come on tutorials on web development and design. Okay, thanks for watching guys, enjoy.